Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're going to take a real quick look here at the brand new 2024 Riverstone Legacy Edition 4513 DST toy hauler fifth wheel. I videoed this model about probably 10 months ago when it first came out in the Orange Crush paint job along with the honey maple interior wood. So I wanted to take a few minutes here and just kind of show you what it looks like in the Black Magic paint job along with the Decorator white wood decor on the inside. So we're gonna bounce onto the inside real quick, show you what this thing's all about. All right, we are now up inside the new 2024 Riverstone 4513 DST luxury toy hauler fifth wheel by Forestriver RV. The Riverstone brand is Forestriver's highest line of fifth wheel and fifth wheel toy hauler. So you can get a few different toy hauler versions, or you can get a few different couples coach versions as well. Now again, I did do a much longer, more detailed tour of this RV that you might want to check out if you're truly interested in the RV, with the other wood decor and the other exterior paint job to kind of get you some ideas on that one. But you have a lot of high-end features here, 3 1/4 inch thick sidewalls, dual pane windows, beautiful solid surface countertop, Samsung Smart TV, you got that large oven with the 4-burner stove top, beautiful backsplash, large convection microwave. Step back here into your garage area here. You're gonna have the Happy Jack bed system here, basically, that raises up and down. You got a nice bed up top, the dinette that makes a bed down below, portable table, rubber diamond plate looking floor down here as well. Entry exit door going out here. You have a Polk audio system here, Bluetooth capable, but you got really nice subwoofer speakers and stuff up here. Gents TV up there as well. But a very beautiful setup. Back here, you're gonna have that 3-season door porch setup right here. And you can see here, got a couple little gravity chairs, power awning that rolls out the back. You're gonna have that step system that goes right off the side. Quite a few cabinets and stuff up there as well. This unit has 3 Whisper Quiet ducted ACs, heat pump, propane furnace, electric fireplace, 12-volt tank heaters. You have power theater seat, heat and massage built in, light strips below, light up cup holders. Got that big residential fridge with the ice maker and stuff in here. Day-night roller shades on your windows. Little hidden Murphy pantry right back here. Got the little built-in window and shade there. Very nice smart control here by BM Pro. You can control some of your lights, go through your ACs, monitor panels, you know, gen start stop stuff. You can do all kinds of goodies in this thing. Tire pressure monitoring systems. Got a drawer built in down there, little step lights. flip down shower seat, adjustable shower bar, huge skylight up here, turbo exhaust fan The nicer heavy-duty porcelain toilet with the nicer lid. Another Jensen TV in here. Camper king bed. You can do a queen if you prefer. Gives you about 5 more inches of room on each side. Back in behind here, you got stackable washer dryer right here. And then you're going to have quite a bit of storage on the other side as well. Motion lights in there. Solar charge controller. This one was ordered with 600 watts of solar. Inverter as well to do a few of the outlets and stuff throughout the RV. Now they do offer some really fancy solar packages with, you know, lithium batteries and all that type of stuff as well. So if that interests you, talk with your salesperson about something like that. They do these little Roku things as well on a few of the TVs. So I think there's 3 of these in this one. So you got the outside TV and the 2 Jensen TVs basically to connect those two. And then your Samsung Smart TV here in the living room. All right, folks, tell me what you think. Do you like the look in the white? Check out the video down below. Tell me if you like that honey maple and that orange crush paint job as well. Which would you prefer if you were actually purchasing one of these for yourself? We're going to go check out the outside. We'll be right back. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2024 Riverstone 4513 DST toy hauler fifth wheel here. We're going to start here real quick, run around the outside. Again, I did a much longer, more detailed tour on the other one. I'll put the link down below and you can check that out if you're truly interested. So again, this is the Black Magic paint job. Orange Crush is in the other video that I did. So you have 2 40-pound propane tanks here. You're going to have a large pass-through storage here. Again, that heavy-duty upper deck steel frame chassis. The 3 1/4 inch thick sidewalls. The 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling jack system. The heavy-duty MORryde step on your front door with the shock assist, the large handle. Got that black safety glass entry-exit door with the pull-down shade in it. You can obviously see here LED light strips on all 3 of the power awnings as we walk around. Manual override in the front arm head. This was ordered with the outdoor TV option. Has the touchpad key locks as well. You're going to have spare tire down below. Triple axle unit, currently riding on Goodyear Endurance tires, disc brakes, tire pressure monitor. This one was actually ordered with the upgraded MORryde suspension system as well. That's a very expensive upgrade, but very nice if you are truly going to travel. If you're just going to take it to Florida and park it for the winter and then go back home and park it for the summer, it's probably not worth the extra money. But if you're going to really live in it, travel, that might be worth it. You got 2 outdoor speakers here. You got a traditional hover style step back here on the toy hauler door, or the toy hauler side door, I guess. That's in your garage area there. You got those security lights up above the entry exit doors. This one was ordered with the 4-camera system as well. So there was one above the main entry door, one over the back of the RV, and one down each side. You seen when we were inside here, the extra little step setup that goes up off the side here. Very nice little setup for a patio back here. You're going to have that awning on the back as well. You have those dual pane safety glass frameless style windows. Powered power cord reel back here. 2 fuel tanks back here as well. Dump hose holder down below. Has slide out awning covers the way this one was ordered as well. And I forgot to mention, but those slide out covers up top have the metal protective wrap, and so do the main awnings when they're closed up. So they are better protected from the elements. Furnace exhaust out here, on-demand water heater. You got a security light over here as well. You're gonna have this nice docking station set up here. And again, you got the water filtration system. You're going to have that battery disconnect, outside utility shower, directional valves to send your water where you want it to go, cable satellite inlets, your dump valves all right here, easy to get to. You got hitch light. You also have your camera on-off switch if you want to turn them off. Auto level jack controls. And down here you got that disc brake reservoir for those heavy duty brakes on this thing. You got this really cool water manifold system that allows you to turn on and off individual water lines in case of a leak. Slam lock baggage doors. Battery area here, you could do 4 batteries in here if you wanted to, or you could actually upgrade to some super fancy solar systems that they also offer. Check those out with your salesperson. Some information real quick: 24,000 pound gross vehicle weight. It's the most you can load it up to, axle, hitch weight, everything combined. Has a dry weight of 19,855. Exterior length of 45 feet 1 inch. Tire size 215/75R, 17.5 inch H-rated tires. Very, very important, guys. Also, keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. But what do you think of this beautiful paint job? Again, the Black Magic paint job. And then if you bounce over and check out the link below to the other one that I did the more detailed video on, you'll see that Orange Crush. Tell me, which one did you like the best? Which would you prefer if you were buying one of these things? You got those nice LED lights in the front. Also another one right here above your Rotoflex hitch pin box. Has the NPS 5500 watt generator powered by Yamaha. Hydraulic reservoir down there for the jacks and some of the slides as well. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour on the Black Magic version of the 4513 DST Riverstone. Again, more details on the other video showing it closed up and everything. Check it out.